Japan's comfort food. A hot noodle dish where three key ingredients, the soup, noodles, and toppings, create a harmony of flavors. The Ramen Donburi bowl joins all these elements together. The bowls come in various shapes, colors, patterns, and sizes. And bowls are selected in relation with the ramen to be served. For instance, the color of the bowl is selected to complement the color and shade of the soup. The size and shape of its rim are matched to the amount and arrangement of the toppings. The ramen is only complete when the chef's original soup and noodles come together in the bowl. In a sense, this one bowl embodies the owner's philosophy of ramen. Incidentally, 90% of porcelain ramen bowls are made in the Mino region of Gifu Prefecture. First, hot water is used to warm up the carefully selected bowl. In goes the shop's original sauce, flavored oil, and strained soup. Fresh noodles are gradually added to a large quantity of boiling water. When ready, they are quickly drained with a vigorous flick of the strainer. And glided into the bowl from the side. Long chopsticks are used to lift the noodles and blend them with the soup. Braised pork belly, egg, and other toppings are prepared at the same time. Braised pork belly may be served as is or seared. After the noodles are placed, bamboo shoots, spinach, braised pork belly, steamed fish paste, and eggs are arranged in a harmonious balance. Finally, condiments are added, all complementing each other. And it is presented wholeheartedly to the customer. Enjoy the harmonic flavor woven by soup, noodles, and toppings in a beautiful bowl.